Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Shawn and welcome you back to the Mango Grower Daily Analysis video. This is going to be a video on XTZ. It does look like XTZ won the vote for an analysis video yesterday in the comments section down below. So hey, if you do have a request for a particular coin, cast your vote in the comment section down below and I will do my best to get that analysis video out. So here we have XTZ on the USD pairing on the daily chart, and what we have going on over here, this is actually a fresh look. I do believe we did talk about this on the Mango Seed program, I believe yesterday. So do I have any horizontals up? No, I have no horizontals up. We can go ahead and draw some horizontals quickly. I'll be looking at this area right over here, actually one over there, and could do this as well. Nope, I think that's good. Actually can turn on a horizontal array over here. Not as important, but important nonetheless. In fact, both of these I will mark as horizontal arrays. I do like this for this, and I do like this for this area over here. So yeah, XTZ over here looking good, but not looking convincing enough for me to want to take a position. The buy would have likely been somewhere around here. If you're looking to buy, I would have been looking to buy around here, past these wicks right over there, right? This zone over here would have been a buy zone. This range essentially between $2.50 to around $3.17. We did miss that buy. I wasn't really looking at XTZ at all, so I didn't miss anything. If you guys were looking to buy, that was the area to be buying. Let's go ahead and turn on the Mango ribbon to see if we have any confluence. In fact, hey, the Kijun coming in right over there, the Tenkin coming in as resistance right at where we are looking at the zone over here. So yep, we can go ahead and mark the zone right away. As you guys can see, I am doing this analysis really quickly because hey, it is a weekend and it is a special weekend. It is Krisha's birthday weekend. Spam her with happy birthdays, guys. And I don't want to spend too much time on this video, but I'll do my best analysis, I promise you. Yeah, I wouldn't be too keen on buying over here, guys. If you guys were looking to buy, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. You are likely to lose all your money following anything I say. I don't know what I'm talking about. If I were to be a buyer though, if I was doing this myself, I'd be looking to buy on a candle close above the zone over here, about $3.30, or I'd be looking for a retest in the middle of this range over here. So we have essentially marked out a zone, right? We have essentially marked out a zone. These two blue box territories right over here, the Kijun and the horizontal I just marked, as well as this blue box territory with the upside. In the middle of this range, we have the 21 and the 10 SMA. What do you know? It all lines up so perfectly. So this is how I'll be playing it. I'll be trying for a high low somewhere around here at around $2.90. Essentially, you could say $3 aroundish. If we break that, if we close a daily candle underneath the daily 21 EMA and 10 SMA, I'd be looking for a flush down towards the Kijun. Essentially, this blue box territory over here, $2.50 to around $2.60, right? So what's the range we're looking at? On the top side, $3.30. On the bottom side, $2.50. In the middle, we're looking at $2.89. At the moment, we are sitting at the top of the range, $3.30. If we close candles above this zone over here, I'd be looking towards these highs again. First would be these targets at around $3.60. After that, around $3.90. Now, I don't want to spend too much time on the lower time frames, but we can look at the Mango ribbon quickly to see if there's anything it's telling us. It's been okay. There we go. Pretty much calling the top over here, right? We discussed what the yellow flash means in yesterday's video on Bitcoin, on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily and 12-hour. It is even stronger. And what do you know? Pretty much nailing the top over here, warning us, hey, you may want to be getting out of your position very soon. We are likely going to go into distribution. And what do you know? We actually did. And right after that, right after this flush down and the yellow flashing stopping, essentially yellow flashing into, switching back into green, we actually got the buy signal. So this was actually pretty unique and pretty strong nonetheless. So you had your Mango Vine giving you a signal on a blue zone on our daily key zone. That is really strong. That is actually really really good confluence, and I would have taken that trade if I had noticed this now. But hey, I had no eyes on XTZ whatsoever. But yep, this was a good buy. Mango Vine flashing along with the Kijun, right, giving you two strong buy signals. And hey, if you did catch this, that was a good move. What was that? A good 30% move. Man, this thing has been so powerful, so powerful. All right, so that's XTZ USD. Let's do a quick recap on what we're looking at. If we lose this zone over here, the blue box towards the bottom side, $2.50, not good at all. In that case, we'd be looking way down. But we have some time before we get there. We're at the top of the range right now, so we don't have to worry at all. If we close a candle above $2.50, we're likely going to have further upside all the way up to perhaps $3.90. But the first target I'd be looking for is $3.60. Okay, so if we close a candle with underneath the blue box territory, okay, on the daily, I'd be looking towards the middle of the range over here again at $2.90. So far, XTZ looking good at the moment, but I would not be looking to buy over here. There's no edge to be had. It's just a hard trade, Looking for that high low at around $2.90 would be the safer play in my opinion. Let's go ahead and look at XTZ BTC, and this is the one where I was looking at the Mango Vine, and I'm more interested in the Bitcoin pairings, guys. And as you can see, again, the Mango Vine calling the top right over here on the daily chart and basically flushing down a good 30%. So if you're looking to short that, good move, but I wouldn't be. You guys know what I feel about trying to call tops no matter what the indicator is. I'd like to see way more confluence. Perhaps if there was bearish divergence along with a distribution pattern, would this have been enough? Maybe for some of you who are a lot more aggressive on the downside, me not so much. But hey, this was a pretty good signal for a buy, but not the perfect signal, right? The USD pairing giving you the perfect signal. But let's go ahead and do some technical analysis on this. Is this looking like a good buy opportunity somewhere around here? Are we looking for further upside? In fact, the Bitcoin pairing is looking a lot better than the USD pairing over here. This does look like it wants to shoot up some more. Yeah, this does look pretty good over here. I'd adjust it slightly towards the upside over here. We did have some consolidation along this pattern, this zone over here, and now breaking on over to the upside. This is actually looking really good. Let's switch on to the 12-hour because I did mark this as 12-hour and daily right over there. Switch on to a 12-hour and yeah, so right over here when we broke this candle towards the upside, closing above the yellow line over here, that's when we had the continuation on over to the upside. Now we are accumulating along this horizontal over here at 33,000 Satoshi, sorry, 3,391 Satoshi. If we close underneath here, which I don't think is going to happen, if we do close underneath over here, I'd be looking for a move back down to around 3,200 Satoshi. Failing that, another way I'd be looking for downside is if we take out this wick over here at 3,327 Satoshi. But for now, this is actually looking pretty good. Any tick above the zone over here, and I'd be looking towards these highs over here at 40,000 Satoshi. So a tick above 3,727 Satoshi would have me looking for a buy opportunity around 35,000 Satoshi around this horizontal right over here. You can adjust it. Okay, so this is the range I'll be looking at. What I'm looking for essentially is something like this. Okay, that's what I'll be looking for. But for now, the cleaner play would be for a candle close on the 12-hour above this zone over here, about 36,000 Satoshi. Let's go ahead and look at the Mango Vine on the 12-hour. Did we just look at the Mango Vine on 12? No, we're looking at the daily, right? And yeah, the Mango Vine giving us the buy signal right over here. I missed this one too. There's so many buy opportunities now. Hey, but my theme trade is going really well, so I'll be happy about that. Bitcoin doing good too. Can't have them all, right? Can't have them all. Again, the Mango Vine on the 12-hour calling this as well. We really got to incorporate this stronger into our strategy, guys. Put it higher up there on the priority list. The more I'm using it, the more confident I'm getting with it, and that's what you want, right, out of an indicator. Believing in it more and more the more you use it. So yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing over here on the BTC pairing of for XTZ, guys. We are having these higher lows, looking good. Perhaps we put another one over here and then put in a high over here. So what are we doing, right? That would be really, really beautiful. But again, take it one step at a time. Let's do a quick recap on what we are looking for. If we close a candle above 3,600 Satoshi, next target would be around 38,000 Satoshi. If we close above that as well, we'd be looking for new highs. And yep, this is looking pretty constructive, even better than the USD pairing. Do I want to look at the weekly? No, I want to keep this video as short as possible. Let's go ahead and do a quick recap on Bitcoin, because I'm not sure if I will have time to do a Bitcoin video today. We are sitting against major resistance on the daily, I do believe still. Daily 21 EMA, yep, not closed above it just yet. Have to be patient. But remember what our eyes are on, guys. We're looking at the weekly. Weekly is the 21 EMA is what we are looking to close over. If we do that, we will be looking to enter our trade even stronger, essentially be trying to get our position back. We have only a portion of a position. We've been taking profits along these major levels, the 10 SMA, the 21 EMA on the weekly, as well as the daily 21 EMA. Do we see a rejection over here in the next 24 hours? Well, 14 hours left, right, before the day close, but the weekly has 1 day, 15 hours before it closes, right? So the weekly has a good 39 hours to get sold into. If it doesn't, I'm going to be very, very happy. Let's see how that goes, guys. Let's do a quick recap on Ethereum for the week. At USD, looking really, really good, right? We are playing this 4-hour formation. I don't think this was a chart we were looking at, though. At USD on Coinbase, no, so this is Coinbase. I think it was Bitstamp. Was it Bitstamp? Okay, either way, let's go ahead and do the range fresh. We're looking at that. Let's remove that, and we're looking at that, right? We're looking at this, and we broke on to the upside, got the perfect retest, and now continuation. We had a measured move of something like around, I do believe it was something for 252, and hey, who knows, maybe we do get there. For now, I'm just riding the trend. It's looking really good. I did mention how I wasn't looking towards the Kijun or the 200 moving average to be too much resistance. I was playing more emphasis on the edge-to-edge trade possibility, and it does look like that may be playing out. We also do have the bullish TK cross. Now, I don't want you guys to think that just because I wasn't paying too much emphasis on those resistances over here that I would be looking to buy into that. I wouldn't be buying there either. I was happy to stay in my trade because I got in all the way at around the 21 EMA. It was somewhere around here, 228, not here. I would have loved to have gotten over here, but I didn't. I got in around 228.75 ish, and now I'm seeing the continuation on over to the upside, right? So because of that, I was willing to stay in the trade even though we were against that resistance. If I believed that resistance to be strong resistance, I would have taken profits, but that doesn't mean I'd be looking to buy there, right? How about this? I was waiting for the trade to pull back on me. I wasn't willing to buy into that. I hope that's clear. So do we get all the way up over here? Perhaps. Am I looking to take profits over there? No, not really, actually. I'm looking for this to actually develop, because remember, guys, we were looking for the daily to close over the 21 EMA, and we did that, right? Now we do have 10K resistance. We are likely to come down and test this, put in a higher low. I'll be looking to actually add to my position on that if we do that, especially if it happens tomorrow or on the Monday open of the candle, right? I'd like for that to happen. I'm willing for this to take its time, guys. The theme has been really strong, and I'm willing to buy into assets that are trending strong. Like even through this consolidation that broke towards the downside, did not see the spill through that you would have expected. It did not even get to the Kijun, guys. That is strength to me, getting front run. People are eager to buy over here. So I'm happy with this trade. I'll be looking to build a long-term position depending on how things go. That's the theme, guys, and very, very brief video on Bitcoin. Krisha is likely going to do a proper video on ChainLink and Bitcoin today. This video was focused on XTZ and just a brief touch on everything else. My name is Shawn Dexter. I will see you guys in the next video, perhaps tomorrow or perhaps Monday. No, I won't be doing a video on Monday, by the way, so I'll likely do one on Sunday and then Tuesday. See you soon.